Hey guys, Huawei's next mid-range smartphone is set to launch soon on the market. Anyway, there are many pieces of information, leaks and rumors about the smartphone on the internet. So today I am talking about the Huawei Nova 6, which is a mid-range phone from Huawei. According to the latest leaks, Huawei Nova 6 5G will have a red color option. Not only that, it appears that the smartphone will come with a new Nova brand logo at the glass rear. This looking great in this render with a hole punch and the camera design. As we all know from leaks before, Nova 6 has a double punch hole screen design exactly same like we have seen on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. We want to know that Nova 6 comes with a 5G and 4G versions, which may differ from design. According to the leaks, the phone got the network access license of the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. So Nova 6 5G equipped with the Kirin 990 5G chip with the most advanced 7nm and EUV processors. Huawei Nova 6 5G is the world's fastest mobile terminal chip with more than 10.3 billion transistors. Another interesting news from Huawei is the P30 and Mate 20 will get EMUI 10 update this month. Based on the Android OS, Huawei announced it on Weibo. At the end of November, the Honor 20 and the Honor 20 Pro will have also received the same update. According to the Huawei, 35 Huawei and Honor smartphones are compatible with the EMUI 10 update, and the final update will be available for P20 from March 2020. Anyway, I will add more video about the Huawei and Honor device in the coming days. So let me know your thought about the Huawei device in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Huawei smartphones, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching. I'm Ashkar from #.